here is the mom. So this is Snowbird Mountain? So air traffic control, huh? Alright, we are about 500 feet from the first geocache in a while. Do you see it though? Here it is!
Oh, cool! Sometimes there's little pieces like filter.
There is a flashlight that doesn't work anymore.
Awesome.
There is a lanyard. It's a geocache. And then this is the log. It's all rusty. So cool. Just keeps going up and up and up. Trail magic ahead, class of 2019. We've heard rumors on the trail of spaghetti and soda. You're almost there. I could kiss it. I could hug it.
Ring for spaghetti and we'll get ready.
Ring it for spaghetti and we'll get it ready. Yay! So good. Signed it. Cheese bowl.
German.
Hey, buddy.
The storm is coming tonight. The plan is to get up in the morning and go to Max Patch for sunrise. It's Fox's birthday tomorrow.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Fox. Happy birthday to you. Beautiful sunrise.
Beautiful sunrise.
It's so crazy how it was so foggy this morning and now it's like, it's nice. Oh, it's slippery. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Walnut Mountain. So this is the top of Walnut Mountain and there's a geocache up here, but I don't think it's been found in a while, so I'm gonna have to try and see if I can find it. I also don't have a pen still. Oops. It's gotta be at this tree over here. Oh, dang. Looks like something got in it. Wow. It's a bunch of seashells. This must be the logbook. That's it. Just needs some maintenance. I guess I will log it as found, but also needs maintenance. Oh geez, these things are so sharp. Everybody's drying their stuff out because it got soaked last night. Look how wet this is. Okay, so peanut butter, some Skittles. I think it's really good, but it's like the flavors are separate, you know? Are you sure you don't want to try it? Hey!
Oh gosh.
Do you smell my food? Hey! Hey! Hey, girl! It's so pretty. So we are walking to Hot Springs. Yeah. I think that's what's happening. Today we started off with no plan. And now we're just going to Hot Springs. Go, 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 go. There's another bear. It's so cute. It's running up, right? Look how cute it is down there. Oh, I think we made it to the hostel. Oh, a day early, but we're here.
Here we are.
Here's our tent circle. Look at this view.
For a life of new discovery. Focus our eyes on the journey.
Okay, so we weren't planning on going into Hot Springs today. We were going to take another day, but it's Fox's birthday, and so we kind of pushed it, and now we're in this cool field, and we're in Hot Springs at the hostel, and you can pay to tent in this cool field. So that's where we are. And we're gonna go get some cheeseburgers and beer. Yay. Also, there is a swing at this hostel.
Stepping into the unknown, waving goodbye to our worry, and we're ready to go. We're up. We're not ever slowing down. We're up. We're chasing down the dreams we found over the rivers and mountains, deep in the heart of the sea. We know adventure's calling.
Down, down, down. This is the AT.
Oh, cool. Fly fishing.
Oh, look at that. Dad, if you're watching, that's where you could go fly fishing. You wouldn't catch anything, but that's where you would go. Hey. So there's just a little bit of rain today. I've already been to the Dollar General twice today. My nephew's birthday was March 31st and I missed it. He turned 5 and I got a bunch of toys for all my other nephews and niece. So I'll send it. There's a post office in town here, so I'll send it. Sorry, this hood. So I'm gonna send that later on. We're walking again. It's like deja vu to the brewery.
Here we go. Dive into.
Good morning, y'all. It is another day in Hot Springs, North Carolina. It snowed last night, like on the tops of the mountains, but down here it's just kind of like a wintry mix. But right now I'm going to the post office so that I can send toys and stuff and goodies to everybody back home. The important stuff at the dollar store. There's an actual rooster in here.
He's not relaxing in the morning. He has to Hannibal.
Hey, Waco. Hey. Oh my gosh, the little chap. There's the rooster. What's up, Waco? It's snowing. Well, I can't believe that there's a rooster in that store. And now it's snowing. Okay, this is my room in the lodge. It's so cute. So I was just thinking about how I went to the post office earlier, and I realized that I didn't put addresses on a couple of the postcards. So I don't know what I was thinking. I'm gonna have to it's just gonna go into oblivion. Oops.